We're going to get a bigger PA system next year. Well, just looking at our caravan rolling out right now, these are all the team vehicles that drive behind the race in case the riders have any issues. Yeah, who's in the car? Yeah, you'll see a director driving the car behind the steering wheel, usually a mechanic in the back seat. They're there with a spare set of wheels, usually on their lap, so that they can jump out and get the rider service anytime that they may need it. And then it's usually a VIP in the passenger seat of these cars.
On a day like today, there's probably about 80 cold water bottles in there ready to hand up to the team as well.
Yeah, some food as well. They will eat and drink throughout the day today. And these cars are also responsible for supplying the riders with refreshments.
And I guess the final thing would be it's the brain trust for the team as well. All the information and strategy runs through that car.
Yes,
to riders, no radios these days, so they have to come back and actually talk to the directors as we send out. Boy, it's about 100 vehicles, whether it's the Colorado State Patrol, and a big thank you to them.